This is a hen who is very well behaved and nurturing towards her chicks. However, nowadays her responsibilities have somewhat changed. These are her 6 eggs. Their number was initially 10, out of which 1 chick hatched. It died due to the intense cold. Now she has 1 chick with her, which hatched prematurely. It hatched quite early compared to the rest of the eggs, 5 days earlier, because this egg was under her first. But the difficulty is that she has not incubated the other eggs properly. Because of this, the eggs are tending towards infertility. Today, only 2 days are left, but there is practically nothing inside the eggs. What should poultry farmers do in these circumstances? Especially when you have high hopes that chicks will hatch from these as well. But is it possible that a chick, the one the hen has already hatched, which hatched prematurely 5 days earlier, has caused her to stop sitting on the rest? Could this be the reason that she sits to feed the chick and her urge to sit and incubate has ended? So, in these circumstances, what should be done? Poultry farmers, please let me know in the comments.